Here's how to add Trustpilot to your WordPress website. So there are 3 steps. Step number 1 is to download the integration. So in Trustpilot Business, go to Integrations, then into E-commerce, and then WordPress. So you will need to have a Trustpilot Business account, but otherwise you will also not be able to collect reviews. So then you need to click on Download Zip File on the next page. You don't need to open the file. Then step number 2 is to go and install the integration. So in WordPress, go to Plugins and click on Add New. At the top of the page, click Upload Plugin, then click Choose File, then select the Trustpilot file you've downloaded and click on Install Now. Once the plugin is installed, you will see Plugin installed successfully and then click Activate Plugin. Then the final step is to manage the integration. So after activation, the Trustpilot tab will appear in your WordPress admin panel. Click on it and log in to your Trustpilot business account. Then review the legal terms, check I understand and accept, and then click Confirm. Then finally you can now manage settings and add a trust box to display your reviews from the Trustpilot tab in your WordPress website. So that's how to add Trustpilot reviews to your WordPress website. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next